Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So yesterday, as you can see, our doubts on the perspective of the upward immediate continuation was correct, and indeed market has dropped further because yesterday we talked and now suspicious that this downward action could continue a bit more since it was really fast, and then the market has dropped to the OP target on the intraday charts. That really happens very straightforward, and we said that could proceed even lower to the XOP, but in the result, you can see the collapse was really very strong, and market was falling like a stone and has increased all the OPs, XOPs on intraday chart, and actually has reached right now 618 support on the 4-hour time frame chart of this high wave pattern, and also it stands at daily oversold. In general, it could happen, guys, that currently it could be the starting of the second stage of our large trading plan. So if you remember, first stage has been completed when we thought about and talked about the 1530 major monthly target, so market has hit it here. Second stage is a reaction. So since market stands in the first swing up after long-term bear trend, sooner or later, but deep retracement should happen. And currently we do not exclude the chance that particularly the area and the moment that we see here is it is possible that the starting of this retracement. Because if market will close as it stands right now, in the weekly chart we will get the reversal week, bearish reversal week, and that already means something. So it means that the next week we could get the downward continuation. And it's a bit difficult choice, because from the one point of view you see that we have the real pretty nice action on the gold, but at the same time it's not much good setups for taking the position in any direction. So currently you do not want to buy because you have this really very strong action. And it's a really tricky moment that's for taking the long position. Maybe only on the intraday charts, in the 15-30 minute chart, you would try to catch some bull trend, bullish trade that you could finish within a few hours, maybe. This is possible. But on a daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, it's very difficult to take the long position. At the same time, it's not time to go short because market had oversold. You need some pullback here for taking the position, and this results in a situation where you have the good volatility, good action, but you do not have the pretty nice setup for a taken position. On the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. Market has dropped below the weekly pivot point and now stands at weekly pivot support 1. And also, this is 618 support of our daily high wave pattern, so that's at least some support. If you would like to take the scalp long position, this is probably the only point where you could try to do this, just because this is really support on the 4-hour time frame chart and daily oversold. That's a good combination for minor pullback here. So if you will drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart, maybe you will find something here. For example, it could be, I don't know, let's say it will be double bottom or something of that sort, as it looks like on the hourly chart. So if I will increase the scale, you could see this could be some kind of the double bottom or something that maybe will trigger some pullback. At least if data that will be released today and non-farm payroll release could be supportive for this pullback, if it will be not as strong, for example, as market expect to get it, or maybe gold will show some pullback. But this is, guys, only tactical questions. It has no real relation to big picture. At the same time, on the hourly chart, we have a bit different pattern that is more valuable for us. So take a look. Recently, we've got the washing rings of this top. We have the divergence, and that is collapsed right here. So this is very typical price action for the double top pattern. And currently, market can proceed lower just because of the daily oversold. At the same time, the target of this pattern is now it equals to the tops. So if we'll count it in the point of the breakout, you'll see that at least based on the hourly pattern, market should reach the 1486, 1485 area, which agrees with this support. And potentially we could get greater patterns, could be head and shoulders. You can see this really new horizon is opening gradually on the gold market for trading. And that is another reason why personally I do not want to take the long position here because it's more valuable pattern stands on the table, and it could be the better trade in the nearest time, and taking the long position here, it looks a bit risky just because double top is not completed. So market will trying to complete it, will tending lower. Maybe it will not be successful right now because market has oversold. But this also could make an impact on the upward retracement. So since this pattern is not completed, this pressure is really significant, and market could show a weak pullback here. It could be small, and your bullish trade could be muted by this reason, by these reasons. So it's trading gold market right now on the long side is a bit difficult. Well, and I'm more gravitate to idea that it's better to wait for a clear setup when it will be pattern in place. This will be no oversold, and where we could take the position in more comfortable situation. I do not see the reasons to hurry up right now in the gold market because this really extended patterns are forming, and they do not demand immediate action. So that's our view on the gold currently. So let's see how the non-farm payroll release will make impact on the market.